valve stem out of the valve. Let's see if we can break this tire down. If you haven't seen my other video on this machine, you might want to go take a look at it where I do some modifications to it. Alright, let's do the other side. Notice I got a piece of cardboard down here because of the pulley and the brake rotor. Maybe one more. All right. One thing I didn't show in my other video is making these pieces. These are also a piece of Delrin, and it's basically just a square block or rectangle block. And drill a hole so that you can get kind of that profile. Just drill a hole and then just chop it off. I'm probably going to remake these. They're okay, but I think I could do a better job on them. I was doing them quick, but they do work. So, all right, let's get the tire up here. So the trick is to get all those little clips into just the rim. See, that one's just barely on right now, while tightening it up. And of course, at the same time, you're trying to keep your bar in the middle and the center. So you got sometimes a lot going on at once. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, let's not forget to take off the valve stem. So I got a little bit more detailed explanation of what I'm about to try to attempt to do in the other video. Of course, you know, the ultimate goal here is to not scratch up anything. The shape of these Harley rims makes this a lot more challenging because they've got like a little lip here instead of just being a gradual rolling. So you got to kind of get the tool over the head of that lip. Right there. Okay, we got it under the lip of the tire. I want to get the bar on the other side of this bar. Like so. Alright, now we're going to pull moving the whole tire, so put some more grip on it. See what that gets us. There it goes. Now you notice my tool is actually long enough that it hits the edge of the plastic bit of my tool, I should say, is long enough that it hits the edge of the disc plate or disc rotor, so it doesn't scratch it. However, also notice that I'm trying not to bend down like that. Now, like I said, I'm trying not to. It's not a good thing to do. Sometimes you just gotta find your right leverage. All right. Tube out. All right, let's get the other side. You need to design your space so that you don't run out of space like I am. That's why I was trying to get it over here so I could go all the way around. Problem with that is that the tire spins and then you lose your amount, your ability to move. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset. So, is that easier than doing it by tire irons? Yeah, it probably is. The amount of work is the same. The type of work is different. You're not bent over, you're not using, you're using more of your core doing this, whereas you do it bent over and you're just, it kills my back. Let's just put it that way. So yeah, I guess I'd say this is easier on my back for sure. Is it a workout? Yeah. Does the machine need some more work? Yeah. Do I need to open up my space a little bit, or do I just need to get the machine in the right position? Probably I just need to get the machine in the right position. Are these Harley wheels fairly difficult? Yeah, I think they're a fairly difficult tire. So there you go, guys. That's an honest assessment. No damage to the rim whatsoever. No damage to the disc brake, to the rotor. I'm gonna, when I put it up on the balance, I'm gonna check that as well. Just check the run out on it. It looks fine. It wasn't making any noise, so I don't think it's gonna be a problem. So I'm gonna end it from here, guys, and come back, because this video is gonna be kind of long anyway, and I'm trying not to do 40-minute videos. So until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Oh, and all that like, comment, subscribe garbage. See you guys. Pop.